Welcome. If you're looking to keep your group conversations organized and engaging on X, formerly known as Twitter, you'll want to know how to reply directly to a specific message in a group chat, especially after the latest update on PC. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to make sure your replies are clear and directed to the right message, making group chats more efficient and fun. First, open X in your preferred web browser and log into your account. Once you're on the main page, look to the left side of your screen and click on the Messages icon. This will bring up your entire message history, including all your group chats. Now, find and select the group chat where you want to reply to a specific message. Once inside the group, scroll through the conversation until you spot the message you want to respond to. Here's where the new update comes in handy. Move your mouse pointer over that message, and you'll notice 3 dots appear to the right of it. Click on these 3 dots. A small menu will pop up, and you'll see the reply option. Go ahead and select Reply. This will open a message box directly linked to the message you chose, so everyone in the group knows exactly what you're responding to. Type out your reply in the message box. Whether it's a quick answer, a follow-up question, or a thoughtful comment, your message will be clearly connected to the original, making the conversation easy for everyone to follow. When you're ready, simply click Send. Your reply will appear beneath the original message, keeping the chat organized and making sure your response doesn't get lost in the conversation. That's all it takes. With these easy steps, you can reply to any message in a group chat on X using your PC, thanks to the latest update. Give it a try the next time you're chatting with friends, classmates, or colleagues, and keep your group conversations running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting on X.